Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing a Tzaangor Enlightened box of 3 miniatures for Warhammer Age of Sigmar. So we'll be checking out all of the sprues and maybe all of the options. I will try to note all head options, hand options, because I think you can assemble them as guys with bows, which are called the Tzaangor's Skyfires, as well as the guys with staff, and they are the Enlightened. So fun thing about this kit, which is a primary objective for me, is to assemble one of them and use him as a shaman for Tzaangor, and that's a fun part about this kit. I actually like it a lot. And there's 2 sprues, instructions, and 3 bases. These are 40 centimeters, I mean, what am I saying, 40 millimeters bases, and yeah, you can also assemble them as standing on a base or on this discs of zinc, which is also nice. So here are the sprues, and that's the first one. You can find 2 of the discs and bodies. I will try to count all of the heads. I think that's also one of the most fun thing about this kit. There's multiple options. So there's one beak right here. One beak right here, right here, right here. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it, I guess. Maybe on the second sprue there'll be more. Yep, there's 7. And that's all. You also have the horns that you can customize for each of the head. I'm not sure if they will fit to a specific head or any, but there's also green stuff which can help you fill the gaps if you want to use a specific one. Now let me show you the sprues, exactly how they look like. First one and the second. Now moving on, pardon me, to the hand options. Here we have the staff, number 1, number 2, and number 3 and 4. I guess you can, there might be one guy that actually handles 2 of the staffs, because there's 3 miniatures and at least 4 staffs. 1, 2, 3 bows, and that's basically it. So I think I'll end this unboxing right here, and I've shown you almost all the customization options here you get, and at least most interesting ones. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.